In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download your own YouTube videos and copy them to a USB drive in just a few simple steps. Now open YouTube in your browser. Move to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the menu, select YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio loads, look over to the left side menu and click Content. This page shows all of the videos you've uploaded. Now find the video you want to save. Move to the right side of that video and click the Options icon. Then click Download. Remember, you can only download videos that you own. If you want to save multiple videos, simply repeat the same steps for each one. Now wait for the downloads to finish. Once your videos have finished downloading, go back to File Explorer. On the left side panel, click Downloads. You should now see the videos you just downloaded. Now click and drag your mouse to select the videos, or hold Ctrl and click each video you want to copy. Then right-click one of the selected videos and click Copy. Next, go back to the left side panel. Then open your USB flash drive. If you already have a folder you'd like to use, open it now. Otherwise, you can paste the videos directly onto the USB drive. Now right-click inside the folder or empty space and click Paste. Wait for the files to finish copying. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.